A large hydrographic boat of the Russian Black Sea Fleet, the Vladimir Kozitsky, designed to search for sea mines, has exploded in occupied Sevastopol, the Telegram channel Crimean Wind reported on October 27th, citing witnesses. The vessel suddenly exploded on the outer parts of Sevastopol Bay, where it had been slowly cruising around for the past few days. Smoke was reportedly pouring out of the engine room, Crimean Wind writes. A tugboat was driven to the smoking ship and dragged it towards Strelecka Bay. On October 26th, social media users reported powerful vibrations in buildings in the north of Sevastopol, but without the sound of an explosion. The Vladimir Kozitsky is a new boat of the 23040G project that joined the Russian fleet in 2021. Its key purpose is high-precision area surveying of the bottom topography to support navigational nautical charts and maintenance of medium-sized vessels with navigation equipment. On October 13th, NV's sources in Ukraine's SBU security service reported that the agency, together with the Navy, attacked the Russian cruise missile carrier Buyan and the ship Pavel Derzhavin near Sevastopol using an experimental surface drone called the Sea Baby. The Navy later clarified that there was no confirmation of damage to the Buyan M. However, damage was confirmed to the tugboat Nikolai Muru. And let's see the other news. Ukrainian Abrams tanks are ready for the task ahead. U.S. officials said that an initial batch of the 31 M1 Abrams tanks promised to Ukraine by the Biden administration had been delivered months ahead of estimates. More M1 Abrams tanks will be sent in the coming months. Russian media report that Viktor Avsalov was appointed the new commander-in-chief of the Russian Aerospace Forces. He replaces Sergei Surovikin. Avsalov reportedly personally participated in the planning and organization of the full-scale Russian invasion to Ukraine. He was responsible for developing the strategy of aviation and missile attacks on Ukrainian civilian and energy infrastructure. Avsalov also served as a commander of the 11th Army of the Air Forces and military defense from aviation attacks. Russia tries to build a defense line near to Avdiivka, but the Avdiivka meat grinder for Russian forces continues. Satellite imagery has confirmed that the Russian military has lost at least 109 military vehicles, primarily armored fighting vehicles and tanks, near Avdiivka between October 10th and 20. Video from the Russian side. Mice infestation in the dugout. Think both sides have it during winter especially. They need trench cats.
Выселили меня нахуй, нарван отсюда. Выселили. Вот эти вот магази.
And Russian trenches are apparently dealing with a slight infestation by rodents of unusual size in Donetsk Oblast. Russian Defense Ministry has painted fake fighter jets at a military airfield in temporarily occupied Crimea. Satellite images show. But they forgot the shadows. Again. The Belbek airfield in Sevastopol was found to have painted fighter jets. Analyst at MT Anderson reported on this, referring to satellite images from Planet Labs taken on the morning of October 26th. The images show several painted fighters, including 4 Su-24/30/34S and 4 MiG-31S, which may be equipped with Kinzhal missiles in some modification. 2 of the aircraft models could not be identified, but MT Anderson assumes they are Su-27S. The painted airplanes were detected by the absence of shadows. The Russian Air Force uses hangars to protect real airplanes. Earlier in October, there were similar cases at the Engels airfield in the Saratov region, Russia, where 2 95 strategic bombers were depicted. Experts speculate that the Russian military may be trying to mislead surveillance systems, but note that modern technology distinguishes two-dimensional images from three-dimensional ones. Russian propagandists are worried about the next sanctions package and freezing of Russian assets. Good.
На фоне подобного безумия Евросоюз продолжает работать над 12-м пакетом санкций против Москвы. Отчиталась только что премьерка Эстонии Кая Каллас. Она призвала европейцев мыслить нестандартно и найти креативный способ украсть замороженные российские активы. Неадекватная русофобка фантазирует о том, что деньги пойдут на выплату репараций Киеву и восстановлению Украины, а то, что останется, говорит Кая, ну, так и быть, мы, наверное, вернем владельца.
Lukashenko is worried that World War III might begin. His solution is for Belarus women to have more children. The war needs cannon fodder. And so the whole civilized planet could burst into flames. So it's a very dangerous situation. That's why we need to build houses, you girls, get married, have children.
Но ситуация очень опасна. Очень опасная ситуация. Израиль ядерная страна, имеют ядерное оружие, которое могут применить. Иран не подарок, и если вспыхнет, мало не покажется. А там дальше конфликт Индия-Пакистан, а там Китай-Тайвань дальше. И так может вспыхнуть вся планета цивилизованная. Поэтому очень опасная ситуация. Поэтому нам надо, девчонки, строить жилье, выходить замуж, вам рожать детей, беречь свой клочок земли, о чем я вам давно говорил. Вот видите, так и происходит.
A resident of Odessa was asked whether she is afraid of more electricity blackouts this winter. Listen to her answer. I think this is a good representation of Ukrainian spirit at the moment.
Пережить вот эту войну, черт, вот этих шакалов под названием Пуйло, Майно и так далее. Это самая главная проблема. А зима и холод — это вообще это ерунда, это чепуха по сравнению с тем, что творит вот эта гнида. Сколько же пол Украины уничтожила, испепелила эта сволочь. Что там еще можно сказать?
Instead of 1,000 words, instead of
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.